Okay, so for our next practice, we're going to practice drawing letters in linear perspective using 1-point linear perspective where the vanishing point is in the center of a group of letters. So this dot that you see here, this is my vanishing point, which I'm going to label VP just so you can keep track of which point we're going to be connecting to. Now for each of these letters, we're going to be doing the corner check test. So I'm going to go ahead and start here with my A, and when I look at my corner of my A to my vanishing point, I ask myself, can I draw a convergence line from this corner point all the way back to my vanishing point without drawing through my original letter? Yes, I can. So I go ahead and add my line of convergence. Then I move on to the next corner. Can I draw a line of convergence from this corner all the way back to my vanishing point without running through my original letter? Yes, I can. Then I check this corner point. Same thing. Then I go ahead and I move up to this one here. Can I draw a line of convergence from this point, this corner, all the way back to my vanishing point without going through my A? No, I'd run through the cross bar of this A. Then I check up here for the point of the A. Can I add a line of convergence back to my vanishing point? Yes. However, as soon as I hit my letter, I stop the line because this crossbar would actually hide that part of my letter. So then I move on to this corner. No, I would run through my crossbar again. So then I move on to the next corner. Yes, I can connect my line of convergence. Then I move on to the other corner. And then last but not least, and I connect it. So those are all my connection points for my letter A. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to complete your letter S. So again, same thing that we practice with our O. We want to start with our ruler inside our letter and slide it until we find the top leftmost corner, and then we connect back to our vanishing point. To find the bottommost point of our letter, we slide our ruler to the right and to the bottom, and we connect that point back to the letter back to the vanishing point. Then we find our corners and we check to see if we can connect them without running through our letter. This one we can't, we'd run through it. But if we go up here, we can connect a little bit before we hit our letter. And this one, we can connect a little bit more. So that's all that we would actually have to do for our S.